Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the trigger lines indicator. It's actually a powerful trend following tool that helps traders to spot market direction, trend reversals, and trade entry points. Okay, so if you are looking for a way to improve your trade timing, this indicator is an effective indicator that you might want to consider adding to your trading toolkit. Let me just add the indicator to the chart real quick. The trigger lines indicator. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to increase the thickness. Okay, so make sure to like the video, okay? Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications if you are so far enjoying the content of this channel, okay? So, and you're not going to miss more trading strategy breakdowns if you do that, okay? Now, the trigger lines indicator is actually an indicator that helps traders analyze price action using trend-based signals. It is built with the R period calculations, which helps to identify key market movements, and also the least square moving average, which is LSMA, that helps to filter out noise and detect price shifts. All right. Now, this indicator reacts quickly to price changes, making it an excellent choice for scalping, day trading, and even swing trading. Okay. And how does the trigger lines indicator work? Well, the indicator generates buy and sell signals using two key elements. Okay, the first is the trigger line crossover. So basically, when the lines cross, you can see that the indicator actually has two lines that changes color, right? Two lines that changes color. So when the lines cross to the upward direction, when the lines cross to the upward direction, the yellow line when the yellow line turns to blue, and then you have the pink, the red turns to pink and cross above the blue, you have a buy signal. Okay, so for your buy signal, just wait for that bullish crossover to happen. Basically, when lines cross, it means that a new trend may be forming, and then the color changes confirms the strength and direction of the trend. For your buy signal, the trigger lines cross and turn pink and aqua. So you can see that this pink line and aqua line is what represents a bullish move. All right, so you have to wait for this color change. The colors of these lines should change to pink and aqua, and then you wait for a bullish candlestick pattern to confirm the trend. Then you can enter a long trade once these conditions align. All right, so you could have considered entering a buy trade maybe around here, and then your stop loss can be below the previous swing low. Your take profit can just be at resistance zones, or when the color of the indicators changes back to a sell mode. Okay, now let's go to the sell mode. Now the trigger lines cross and change to yellow and red. So yellow and red are the signals for a sell. All right, yeah, remember that pink and aqua are for a buy, then red and yellow are for a sell. Okay, so when the indicator line changes to red and yellow, it shows a sell signal. Okay, but ensure that the direction is also trending downwards for a sell, because here we had the consolidation phase, so it's better to use this indicator in trending markets all right, in trending market. So here now, this is an example of a trending market. So when you have the bearish crossovers, you can just look for bearish candlestick patterns. Ensure you get your pattern before you enter the trade. Okay, that's going to be an additional confirmation. Then you can go ahead to enter your sell after you've gotten your sell confirmation. For example, we can see what happened here. You can see, and we have this rejection candle, so this would have been a good time to enter a sell. Then your stop loss can actually be above the previous swing high. Then your take profits can be at support zones or when the indicator changes the color to the buy mode, all right, and you have it trending upward. Okay, however, not all signals are tradable. Okay, so it is essential to combine this indicator with other technical tools for better accuracy. And this indicator actually works across different trading styles. Yes, whether you are scalping or day trading or swing trading, this indicator can be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. All right. For scalping, lower time frames, of course, work for scalping. Um, so you can just go to lower time frames and look for your crossovers, get your crossovers right, and also ensure that you confirm with price action as well. All right, then for day trading, just of course maybe you can use like 1 hour, 30 minutes, time frames, and ensure you get trend confirmation for your intraday trades. All right, then as a swing trader, of course, you can go to higher time frame like the 4 hours, depending on how long you want to hold your trades, whether 4 hours or daily, and then holding positions longer based on strong trend shift. So you want to pay attention to mostly trending markets, yeah, mostly strong trends, yes, and just ensure you always pay attention to price patterns as well and market structure. Now, just for those who are not exactly sure how to exit their trades, the best way to exit trade is to wait for the trigger lines to change to opposite colors. So just like I mentioned already, when you are in a buy trade and the color changes from pink and aqua to red and yellow, it means it's time to exit your buy trade. If you're in a sell trade and the color changes from red and yellow to pink and aqua, it means that it's time to exit your sell trades. All right. Then for stop losses, it's best to use support and resistance levels or market structure zones or volatility based stops. Okay, that is for your stop losses. All right. So the trigger lines indicator is a powerful addition to any trader's toolkit, offering clear trend signals for better trade timing. Whether you are scalping or swing trading, this tool provides valuable insight into market movement. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment on how you use trend indicators in your trading strategy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.